Hello, we are back in beautiful Jarabacoa. Excuse me, I have been in the sun all day and it is very humid here. Hello, you wanna help me? And so I thought I would do a little apartment tour for you. This is Brianna's house. There's Brianna, you guys have seen her on my channel before. So this is in Jarabacoa, kind of just outside of town, like 3 minutes. It's super cute. We're on the second floor of a house and they rent it out. It has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom. I'll show you, it's super cute. And then I'll tell you the price. So stay tuned.
¿Te gusta mi casa? Dale un like. Y si llegamos a 2 millones o a 100 millones.
100 millones, wow.
Si llegamos
Espero
a
que
100,
sí. So here's the entrance.
Si llegamos a 100 millones o a 2 millones, le enseñamos mi casa y salimos para afuera.
Muy bien, gracias. La sala, so here's like eating area and the couch. Cute table. And then we have actually really cute view, so it's like a nice breeze. And then the kitchen, a big fridge, stove, another window. So this is the water that everyone uses because you can't drink the tap water, so that's filtered. Big cabinets. And this little outdoor balcony area, this is where people wash their clothes in the sink and then you just hang them up here. And then a really pretty view back here. Super peaceful. You hear the roosters. I love Jarabacoa. Also, it looks like I don't have a shirt on. I do. I love Jarabacoa so much. It's where I spent a year and I taught for a year here. I didn't live in an apartment this cute, but this is a super, super comfortable apartment. Let me show you the bedrooms. So here is Brianna's room. It's really big, honestly. This is a big closet. And then all her toys. Super cute. She has a big bed too. Here is the bathroom. Nice and big. A big shower. And I think they do have hot water, which is nice. And then her mom's room, Mariela. And it's also really big. These closets are huge, honestly. I can't believe like how big they are. They're just slide in and out. I guess people have their laundry up there on the other house. And then look at those mangoes. Huge mangoes down there. So it's super nice, very cute. Okay, this apartment is 8,000 pesos per month, which is about 140 US dollars. And then she also has to pay for lights. And then that can go up or down every month. With all of the expenses included, it's about 9,000 pesos per month. So that's really only like 160 total, if that. So she definitely has a good deal, but of course the wages here are lower, so it is hard to find something. And this was a really good find, honestly. She loves it. It's a really quiet part of town, so you're not getting like a ton of motos or cars driving by. She lives on like the end of the street, kind of tucked away, which is really cute. But yeah, we could never find an apartment for $140 in the States, so definitely very, very nice. So this is just one example of an apartment in Jarabacoa, or a typical Dominican apartment, honestly. And yeah, if you have any questions at all about the apartment or living here or anything, please comment below. I'd be happy to answer them, and I can always ask Mariela any questions that you'd like to know. Make sure you are subscribed because I do videos like this very often. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.